Yo, good morning. It's April 22, 2024, day 113 ng daily vlog, and it's currently Monday, 6:16 a.m. and mamaya may pasok na ulit. So, yeah, another day, another work week. So, let's do our best. Yeah. Yo guys, so once again it's Monday afternoon, 1:33 p.m. Nagpapawisan ako sobra kasi sobrang init ng panahon, no? Pero pasok ulit sa work. Yeah, another week na para mag-grind, and let's just do our best, no? Yeah. Ayo, on the way na sa office na. Approaching the office. Again, it's April 22 na. Let's just start this everything. For me, important sa akin yung i-keep yung job na lang. Malapit naman ang makakumplis yung pagbayad sa utang. 2 months in 2 months na complete na rin yung down payment sa house and lot. So for signing na lang yun ng Pag-ibig housing loans, no? Hinihintay lang natin maybe by November, by September or November, I don't know. So yeah, and let's just always pray to God, no, that He in His power will grant us a wisdom, understanding, love, and peace, no. And wala tayong magagawa kung wala din yung provision ng Diyos Ama, no? And we have nothing to boost. We just have to stay humble. Pahinga muna. And I'm still looking forward na mapag-aral ulit ako. I don't know kung within this year or next year na. Yeah. Pero excited ako magka-laptop. Gusto ko bumili ng laptop. Kasi feeling ko pag may laptop, mas magiging productive ako. In terms sa mga designs, ganun. Pag may mga gawain, ganun. At the end of the day, I surrender everything to God. In terms of purpose in life, I think to be significant. Yun yung purpose ko. To become significant to the lives of others. Ayun, tapos lang ng shift. It's 12:51. Yeah. Just a normal day. Normal shift. Yeah. Wala akong sumagot. Never give up.